Hello, my name is Per-Erik Högberg. I'm the Swedish ambassador here in Japan. Welcome to the Swedish residence. Today I thought I wanted to introduce you to some of my favorite Swedish dishes. Maybe you didn't know that the Swedish cuisine is actually extraordinary, and there are some beautiful similarities between Sweden and Japan. We're up north, we use the products the forests and the sea are giving us. And here I want to introduce you to the kitchen of the Swedish residence. And here is my good friend Johan Ahlstedt, the chef at the Swedish residence.
Today I'm going to make a very traditional Swedish herring. It's a marinated herring instead of pickled. We eat it, midsummer is coming up next Friday in Sweden. For traditions like that, if I get a chance to eat it, I eat it all the time. I like it so much. One of my favorite dishes made with herring actually. To move over to what we're going to use, herrings. They're rather big, so if you get the hold of the small ones, you don't have to cut them, but these ones I have to cut. Of course, you can substitute the nischin with mackerel or sardine, so they're very similar, but you need a fish which is rather fun and fat. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for overnight in the marinade, and tomorrow and the day after you can mix it with the sauce. For the herb sauce, I'm going to use dill. We love dill in Sweden. And tarragon, parsley, garlic. And first I have to remove the stems. It's already tough. First, sour cream, mayonnaise, French mustard, Dijon mustard. Oh, let's put the camera. I want this to be really green and nice. And start the blender. it needs more salt and a little pepper. I'm adding some pepper. So you cover the fish with the sauce. We're going to serve the herring from this jar. It's very traditional as well. And I'm going to garnish with some picked dill. Cold, and the flavors are developing. Traditionally you eat it with crisp bread, or like a dark bread, rye bread.
So welcome to the Swedish residence and a Swedish lunch, a classic summer lunch, Johan. I really look forward to this. We will have some Swedish drinks, of course, to the herrings. We will have pale ale from Omnipollo, which is available here in Japan, and it's a fantastic. Around the Baltic Sea, we eat a lot of herrings, a lot of fish. And maybe one important thing to remember is that for hundreds or thousands of years, Sweden is a pretty tough place to live in the wintertime, from October, November till March, April. It was snow, it was ice on the lakes, maybe even ice on the oceans. So it was not a simple thing just to go out and catch the fish every day. No, in winter you need to preserve. In the fall you needed to get everything to survive the long winter. So one of the conservation forms is, of course, to use pickling or marination. So if you do the fish in the fall, it will last throughout the whole season. Many fancy ways with potatoes and sauces, but I think that the best way to eat it is to put it on Swedish crisp bread and just put it on and make it like a little sandwich. An important thing for us Swedes when we eat herring is to also have an aquavit to it. Skåne or perhaps Sav. I know you want to try the Sav.
I haven't tried that one,
So I will serve that one to you. It should be nice and cold. And it's quite strong, this stuff, more than 40%, but it's a nice way of staying alive. I like the Skåne, so I help myself with that. It's a fantastic taste of summer. It's Swedish summer with the herbs, but also the taste and the texture of the fish through the marination gets a little harder. Very, very good. Skål. Skål. In Japan we say kanpai. In our country we say skål. Thank you, Johan. Beautiful. Can't wait for the main course.
Coming up soon.
So if you don't have an oven, Swedish crisp bread, find it in the stores. And the great thing with this is it doesn't go moldy. You can preserve it for a long time. That's its hard. So you can keep it in the cupboards for months and months, as long as the herring will remain. So to my Japanese friends, I have a very strong recommendation. Please try to make this at home. It's easy. Master Chef Johan has now showed you how to do it. You can do it yourself and you will not regret it. Do it on your own or invite some friends. Get some Swedish aquavit and crisp bread. And if you're really successful, let me know. Maybe I want to come and try. Enjoy it.